Okay, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, preparation, defined retained earnings, HR, HR 57, 50,000. This is retained earning account, which is used for financial statements for profit and loss consolidation. Once this is done, business transaction, document splitting, classify GL accounts, double F42, HR 57, new entries. I'll explain this in the end what this is. First, let me do the configuration. Double A42. Now, what is document splitting? Let me explain that. Document splitting is when you purchase material or do any purchasing from vendor. This is debit. This is credit. What accounting principle says to distribute this material or purchases, vendor debit credit, the tax and withholding tax as per profit center variable. So profit center 1 will have material 100 out of 1000. For example, this was 1000 kg without document splitting. Let's say this is 800 something, taxes 200, withholding taxes 20, whatever. So material 100 by 1000 was consumed by profit center. So vendor will also be 800 by 1000, not 800, 200 by 800. And tax will be, let's say 33 by 200. Withholding tax will be like 3 by 20. This is profit. Center 2 will have again bifurcation distribution. So this is basically document splitting. So tax and withholding tax also get split, right? So that's why whenever we're doing special GL transaction for vendors and customers, they get the reference of document splitting from the vendor. Okay, and that's why they also get the split. So the splitting will also happen for special GL. Special GL in SAP is advanced payments. Okay, so this will also be like, for example, 30 by 300, whatever, and so on. Profit center 2, 3. This is how it will be. Again, all the details like material, um, vendor, and so on. Okay, same. This is document splitting. So this is important to understand. This is asked in the lectures. Okay. Next comes in controlling profit center accounting, basic setting, set controlling area, and HR 57. Okay, controlling area setting, maintain controlling area setting, standard hierarchy. Standard hierarchy, currency type will be 20 and USD legal valuation already been used. Higher. Okay, legal valuation and controlling area currency will be used. Data already saved. KKP. HR 57. Cost center hierarchy. Enter. Activate control indicators. New entries. 2023. Active. Okay. Enter. Okay. Assignment of company code. New entries. HR 57. Save. SPRO. Profit center accounting. Basic setting. Controlling area setting. Maintain controlling area settings. Active indicator. Save. Standard hierarchy. Higher. USD. Save. Okay. Okay. Now, profit center, save, create dummy profit center, dummy hire, dummy hire. Now, dummy is made for cost centers that do not have any cost centers. Okay, define profit centers, create profit centers. Then 001, center group, create, enter. 001, S001, create profit center, C001, 2, activate. Okay. One last step before we start doing entries, financial accounting, GL accounting, master data, profit center, default profit center, two accounts. Foot is our template. HR 57. Double F42. Okay. HR 57. New entries. Okay. We'll have to make this one by one. First 00. Double F42. 01. 0.0.1 HR 57. Field status variant is not assigned. Okay, field status variant. SPRO. IMG. I guess you're getting confused, so I'll stop here for today.